Oh my Frank!
How you doing?
Coming up on the hall.
Come on in, tough boy.
There we go. There we go.
Wait till it gets popped.
Watch out. There's something in there.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Holy shit.
That's a fucking crawl, dude. Oh my Frank.
How you doing? How you doing,
Right there.
How you doing?
You got gloves?
No, just grab it. That's
Manhandle.
legal.
Oh, this is legal.
Yo,
Holy shit.
there's like 4 legal in there.
Dude.
Yeah.
Hog, bro. That big boy in the back. There's 3 fucking legals in there?
4. That one's probably. So we got 1 already. We probably have 4 legals.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
4 legals.
Oh, this is definitely.
Yeah.
It's a big guy. Bro, how many we gotta have to do a count here,
Let's get this out to a little count, man.
Wow, bro.
You okay with this? Huh? They're crawling.
Bro.
He's good. He's good.
Yep, he's good. All right, boys.